What's up, everybody? So I just got this in the mail today. I bought it at Best Buy. It's a 1080 Full HD camera, Canon. I used to have a Nikon Copic something, and I had it for like 5 years, and then the lens would just get stuck, so I got rid of it. And I bought me this one. I've been like uploading quite a bit, and I'm gonna continue to do so. So I decided to, buy another one. Why not? I also wanted it to, here it is. I also bought it to, just take pictures of my kids and stuff. But I was like, man, I've been like posting quite a bit, so might as well just buy it and keep doing it. I saved like $70 on this one, so that's the reason why I bought it. It's a pretty good deal. It's a Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, so I can connect it to my phone or a tablet, whatever I need to, and just transfer the pictures or whatever. But I think I'm just gonna be like putting them in my computer and just doing the thing from there, editing the pictures and stuff, videos, whatever. But yeah, it's a pretty nice thing. It comes with the strap to hang it on your neck or whatever. It comes with a charger for the battery. I'm surprised my other one didn't have this one. I was using like normal AAA or AA batteries, whatever I had in hand. But this one, it comes with a charger to charge the battery, which is nice. I don't have to spend money on batteries and stuff. I can just recharge the battery, and batteries last about, I think it should last about for like a couple of days, for three or 4 days before you have to charge it. And well, if you use it like constantly, I guess. But yeah, here it is. It zooms in 40 or 50 times. It's really good quality. I suggest you recommend it. And this is the box, the outside of it. That's it right there. Canon PowerShot. Like I said, it's 1080p, so it's really good quality. It's not like 4K, but it's still really good quality. Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. You can connect it to your phone, whatever, tablet, transfer pictures. But yeah, the quality, when I saw it at the store, it was really good quality. I was gonna get the one that had the screen that flips or something, but I was like, nah, I think I'm gonna run into some issues later on, so I just got this one. And like I said, I paid like $225 for this one. It used to be like $310, so I got a 70+% off. So it was a pretty good deal. So I bought it. I said, why not, But yeah, here it is.